Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Caterham 7, a car that continues to captivate driving purists with its blend of heritage and modern engineering. Let's explore what makes this vehicle a timeless icon in the automotive world. Introduction to the 2025 Caterham 7. The Caterham 7 has long been celebrated for its minimalist design and exhilarating driving experience. In 2025, Caterham has refined this classic formula, offering a range of models that cater to both traditionalists and those seeking contemporary performance, design and aesthetics. At first glance, the 2025 Caterham 7 retains its signature open-wheel, open cockpit design, reminiscent of its 1950s origins. The elongated hood, exposed suspension components, and compact rear exude a sense of raw, unfiltered motoring. The minimalist approach isn't just about aesthetics, it's a deliberate choice to reduce weight and enhance performance. The chassis is constructed from lightweight steel, ensuring rigidity while keeping the weight down. Depending on the model, the body panels are available in aluminium or composite materials, offering a balance between durability and weight savings. The absence of unnecessary electronic aids and luxury features emphasizes the car's purist philosophy. Performance and engine options. Caterham offers several variants of the 7 in 2025, each tailored to different driving preferences. 1. 7170. This entry-level model is powered by a turbocharged 660cc 3-cylinder engine, producing 84 horsepower. While it may seem modest, the car's ultra-lightweight design allows it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in approximately 6.2 seconds. 2. 7270. Equipped with a 1.6-liter Ford Sigma engine, this variant delivers 135 horsepower, achieving 0 to 60 miles per hour in around 5 seconds. It's a balanced choice for those seeking spirited road driving. 3. 7420, for enthusiasts desiring more power. The 420 features a 2.0-liter Ford Duratec engine, producing 210 horsepower. This model reaches 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds, offering a thrilling experience on both road and track. 4. 7620. The range-topping 620 is a beast, boasting a supercharged 2.0-liter engine that churns out 310 horsepower. It rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a blistering 2.8 seconds, making it one of the fastest accelerating cars in the world. Each engine is mated to a precise 5-speed manual transmission, ensuring an engaging connection between driver and machine. The rear-wheel drive layout, combined with near-perfect weight distribution, provides exceptional handling characteristics. Driving experience. Behind the wheel of the 2025 Caterham 7, drivers are treated to an unfiltered connection to the road. The manual steering offers direct feedback, allowing for precise inputs and a tactile feel that's often lost in modern vehicles. The suspension setup, featuring double wishbones at the front and a Dion rear axle, strikes a balance between agility and comfort. The low-slung seating position and minimalistic cockpit immerse the driver in the experience, with the engine's soundtrack providing a symphony of mechanical delight. Without electronic aids like traction control or ABS, driving the 7 demands skill and attentiveness, rewarding those who appreciate the art of driving. Customization and personalization. Caterham understands that each driver is unique, offering a plethora of customization options. From bespoke paint colors and stripe designs to tailored interiors and performance upgrades, owners can configure their 7 to reflect their personal style and driving preferences. Optional extras include limited slip differential, enhances traction during spirited driving. Track day package includes uprated suspension components and sticky tires for improved performance on the circuit. Weather equipment. For those planning to drive in less than ideal conditions, options like a full windshield, side screens, and a soft top are available. Safety considerations. While the Caterham 7 prioritizes performance and driver engagement, safety hasn't been overlooked. The tubular steel chassis provides a robust safety cell, and 4-point harnesses keep occupants secure. However, potential buyers should be aware that the minimalist design means the absence of modern safety features like airbags and electronic stability programs. Ownership and community. Owning a Caterham 7 is more than just possessing a car, it's joining a passionate community of enthusiasts. Numerous clubs and forums offer support, organize events, and foster camaraderie among owners. The simplicity of the vehicle also means that many maintenance tasks can be performed by the owner, further deepening the connection between driver and machine. Conclusion. The 2025 Caterham 7 remains a testament to the purity of driving. In an era where vehicles are becoming increasingly complex, the 7 offers a refreshing return to basics, focusing on lightness, agility, and driver involvement. Whether you're a seasoned track day veteran or someone seeking a weekend roadster, the Caterham 7 provides an experience that's hard to match. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the 2025 Caterham 7. If you have any questions or would like to share your experiences with this iconic car, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, drive safe and enjoy the journey. Please subscribe to channel and share.